This video will tell you how to create a Bluesky account. The Bluesky app has become a popular app, so it tells you how to open an account. Once you have entered the Bluesky app, you will see Create Account. Click on that. Okay, here you have to fill in the requirements for your account. You can leave nothing in the field of hosting provider. You have to enter your Gmail account instead of email. After that, you have to enter the account password in the password field. You can add whatever you like. Your birth date should be entered in your birth date. Must be 18 years old. Click on Next. Here you must enter the handle name for your account. You can add any name you like. Once done, click Next. At this step, I am human must be resolved. Here you have to select the guitar model and verify it. Your phone might be something other than a guitar. Okay, then it's convenient. If you have reached this stage, click Allow. Follow the setup steps by clicking Continue. Once you've gone through these steps, you're ready to create a Bluesky account. Although the Bluesky app is newly released, I think it will be convenient for users. See you next video. Bye.